I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: an Adobe ID, an active Creative Cloud subscription, and backups of any critical projects. This prevents data loss if features change. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app and go straight to the beta section. This is where Adobe surfaces pre-release builds. Once you see Premiere Pro beta listed, choose Install. The app keeps it separate from your stable release, so you can test without overriding your main workflow. After clicking Install, make sure you allow the beta to install alongside your release build rather than replacing it, because you'll want a fallback. Next, open Premiere Pro beta and create a new test project. Do not migrate production projects automatically. Check plugin compatibility in the Extensions panel and disable anything unstable. Also, toggle experimental features in Preferences when needed so you can evaluate new tools. To finish, actively use the beta and send concise bug reports via the in-app beta feedback tool. Include steps to reproduce and system specs so Adobe can act. If you encounter major instability, revert to your stable Premiere Pro and restore backups. This preserves delivery schedules. If crashes or performance problems appear, update GPU drivers and collect crash logs. Make sure to mention driver versions in your feedback. One troubleshooting tip: disable hardware acceleration to narrow down GPU-related issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.